Hey, it's Scott here, your tour guide with Strolls and Stories Tours.
Strolls and Stories Tours is excited to announce the launch of our self-guided Bisbee walking tour, an economically priced audio-video tour package. Learn why the Old Bisbee High School was listed in Ripley's Believe It or Not. Learn the history of the Copper Queen Hotel, where John Wayne once threw a guy out the window of the bar. And hear the tale of a female ghost that seduces male guests still today. Oh, this is a good story. Hear why this Catholic church up on the hill looks towards the mountain instead of over Bisbee. It seems someone wanted a little divine intervention. We stroll past the stunning Art Deco Cochise County Courthouse and learn of its distinguished architect and the symbolism in its design. We'll chat about this copper hottie, hear the tales of former upscale department stores in downtown Bisbee. Learn the history of Brewery Gulch, where saloons and brothels kept the miners entertained. Learn of a beer recipe from Switzerland and stroll past Arizona's oldest continuously operated bar. It happens to be a top 10 ranked dive bar in the country today. We'll chat about the Phelps Dodge Mining Company and how they ended up buying out all of the competition in town. We discuss both shaft mining and open pit mining, and we learn that while Bisbee wasn't a company town, the Phelps Dodge Corporation certainly played an outsized role in everything that went on in Bisbee. We'll visit a ghost town that's a mid century time warp and hear how the open pit mine nearly swallowed up an entire town. All of this and so much more when you book the Strolls and Stories self guided Bisbee walking tour.